All right, guys, today is the day. Our project giveaway Telecaster here finds out who its new people's going to be. So stay tuned. It could be you. All right, folks, got a little bit of a different setup here today. I'm actually sitting down. How lovely. So I've got my computer here. We've got our random number generator set up. There were 575 entries into our giveaway. Now, we had 20 videos, and at the time of the giveaway, there was 125 subscribers, which means that there is a possible total number of entries of 2,500. Out of those possible 2,500, there was only 575. So you might be thinking, wow, my odds of winning this thing are 1 in 575. That's pretty good. Well, bear in mind you got one entry for every qualifying video you commented on. So if you commented on all 20 videos, and I think there's only like a few people that commented on all 20 videos, then your odds of winning are 20 in 575, which is 1 in, basically 1 in 104, something like that. One in 104, thereabouts. So that's pretty good odds. I went over to my local guitar center and picked up a box to ship the Telecaster in. So now we have our number here, and before we get to selecting that, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing to the channel, watching the videos, leaving your comments. A lot of them were very helpful, like the shotgun shell knobs on the guitar. I'm not the one who actually thought of that. That was Garrett O'Donnell, one of the subscribers. He thought of that, and it was a brilliant, brilliant touch. I understand, not the first to do this. I've been told that Guns and Guitars has done shotgun shell knobs on a fair number of his guitars, but I haven't seen any of those yet. But I'm gonna have to check that out and see how he does it, because hey, he may do it, have a better way of doing it than I do. But without much further ado, let's pick our number. So here I have minimum is 1, maximum is 575. Once I click generate, and as you can see, this comes from Google, that will tell me a number. So let's do it. 303. So the magic number is 303, which means that's a comment from video number 11. On my sheet right here, I have the numbers of all the comments. So the first video, video number 1, got 44 comments. The second highest was video number 16, which is the countdown to the giveaway begins. That got 43 comments. The rest of the videos were hovering around the low to mid 20s in terms of comments. We didn't have any teens or single digit comments on the videos, but we only had 2 in the 40s, 3 in the 30s, and those were low 30s, 31, 32, and 33 respectively. And the rest were in the 20s, and most of those, the low 20s. So there wasn't that many people that were really trying to win this. Now, I will go back to my list here. And as you can see on this list, I have the names of all of the commenters on here. Let's see. Let's bring this up. And we'll scroll up to 303. As I was up to like 2 o'clock in the morning this morning, actually writing down all these names and getting all this together. It took a while. So here we go. 303 is featured 365. So let's go to our video number 11. Okay. Hi, Andrea. Thanks for subscribing. Let's see. My channel. Pull up videos. And we'll go to video number 11. Which is that a cabinet knob? Let's see. So that was featured 365's comment on here. So the winning comment was, "What's poppin'?" There you have it. Like I say, the 2 dots or a high, anything like that was enough to be a qualifying comment on a qualifying video. So featured 365 gets "What's poppin'?" Featured 365 doesn't have any content on his channel, and I will be replying to 365's comment, featured 365's comment on the video, saying that this is the winning comment. Contact me to arrange to set up delivery of your new guitar. There we go. And click. So now it is 4:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, 5:33 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday the 18th. If I don't hear from featured 365 by 5:33 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday the 21st, then Monday I will pick a new winner before we announce the next giveaway project, and I do the unboxing and unveiling on that. So until next time, this is your Guitar Goombah Lucky saying, keep rocking, and you, yes, you could win. So stay tuned.